Well, welcome back to the channel. It's an absolutely picture-perfect day right here in Eastern California, across from Arizona, right here on the Colorado River, and we're going to take a look at this RV park. You know, if you'll bear with me, I want to get into something before we get into the video itself, the meat of the video, which is this RV park, Havasu Landing RV Park. I want to put something up that's a little different. You know, California's been getting a little hard hits because of what they're doing in Sacramento. And I wanted to show you this little news clip that I came across that I think is significant. Pay attention to the last bit of the news reel. And you know, maybe there's hope for California. Gosh, California, get it together, baby. And then we'll go ahead and get into the RV park here. It's a beautiful RV park, actually, in its own way. Anyway, I'm gonna play this news clip. I hope you don't get angry at me for playing this, but there are some problems with California that it's just got to be fixed, you know. Gosh, it's such a beautiful place. Anyway, watch this, then we'll watch about the RV park.
A sign that went viral on social media for mocking California's retail theft problem has been removed from downtown San Francisco. The sign, written in official-looking font, read, quote, "Notice, stolen goods must remain under $950. The sign is a reference to Prop 47, which made retail theft under $950 a misdemeanor instead of a felony. The joke is you can steal up to that amount and basically get away with it. Well, we reached out to San Francisco city officials who say it is not an official sign, and it was gone by the time they showed up to investigate. California voters approved Prop 47 back in 2014, but critics say the law has led to more smash-and-grab robberies this November. As you may have heard, voters will have a chance to roll that Prop 47 provision back. There's a new motion on the ballot that you have a chance to vote on.
Okay, let's take a trip up into the air and we'll take a look at this beautiful place here on Lake Havasu. And across the way here is Lake Havasu City. You can see that. That is the location of the original London Bridge. It was brought over from London in 1971, I think it was. They purchased it in 1968 for $2.6 million. And then it took an additional $4.5 million to disassemble it, transfer it to Lake Havasu City, and then have it reassembled. And this you're looking at is the casino. You can see the shuttle going out right there. It's leaving. It costs $5 for the round trip. It's about 15 minutes a trip. Now you can drive around Lake Havasu. You can go to the north, travel the north, go through the desert. It's about 60 or 70 miles to travel around the lake, the north side of the lake, to get to Lake Havasu City from the California side, from the RV park. If you can hear in the background, there's a lot of birds here. I think it's the red-winged blackbird, they call it. And man, there are so many of them. And this is the RV park here. You can see as I rotate around. It's quite expensive. It's been here for a while. I asked about that, and they indicated it's been here for about 45 years. They recently had a little costume contest, and I put that in this video, and it was just a lot of fun. But keep swinging on around. You'll see here is the day use area. That's some POA housing right there. That's to the south of the park. We've been here for a couple of weeks, and it's just been an absolutely beautiful weather. And the temperature never gets too hot here, at least not in the winter or the fall. We've been having blue skies almost every day here. That's a little day use area right there. You can actually go swimming right there if you like, if you wish to do that. So we're looking south now, and it's a little smoky. They had some wildfires here that was north of us a couple of days ago. It's kind of smoked up the area. They got it under control. They got it contained now. But Lake Havasu is very popular in Arizona. It's the western state line. It borders western state line of Arizona and eastern state line of California. Colorado River does. And you can see a little shell there going out now. It's a nice little ride. Short ride. Take you right to the London Bridge. London Bridge Landing, there's a restaurant there that we had some really good food there and met some nice people. And you know, it's a really neat place to stay. $335 a month if you want the 01 spot. It's like on the lake. It's like $450 or something. And the full hookups, absolutely wonderful. You got full hookups and trash. Take a look at the laundry. Nothing fancy, but the price is right. Let's go see.
We love it.
This week is going to, we'll see, this week is going to be really a lot cooler and stuff.
Oh, it's beautiful. Do you live here?
No, we're just staying here. We're
Right back there. It's a different building.
Huh?
The restrooms and showers are that building right back there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so I'm just gonna do enough of this. Is all I'm gonna do. Get some more chicken for him.
We have a great little market here. It's like a full grocery store. Also over here, there's a hardware store. Same here, but they sell gasoline and propane over here around the corner. So, I mean, it's just about anything you want here, including the casino, which has a restaurant. We'll go in the market and see what it looks like. Well, look. Thank you very much. Yeah, we got some good ice here. I think they were selling this for these giant bags for like $3 one night. All right. In little restaurant here. I've never been in it. Come through the little garden shack gate here, and we go down to the marina. Boat ramp to launch your boat. Goes out to the lake, Lake Havasu. Full-timers here month to month. Some people just stay here. That's about it. Look at this rig. They've got a little get together here. Looks like a baked potato. Look at that. Or a potato. Potatoes. Pretty good, actually. Oh, let's see. You know, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for joining us on these little videos I make. I put them together. It's mostly for fun, but also I hope you get some kind of value out of it, some kind of entertainment. Some of them are pretty interesting as far as the RV repair and fixing things up, tips and tricks and hacks and that sort of thing. But I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for being here with us. It's a lot of fun doing this. I just get a blast out of it. We travel all over the country. Wherever we go, we try to make a little film about it and put it up, and maybe you get something out of it and have some fun with it too. So what we're going to do is leave here. We're going to leave here in a day or two. We're going to Quartzsite. We're going to stay there for like maybe 3 months probably. We don't really know what we're going to do. We've been traveling 6 years full time. We've stayed at least no less than 100 RV parks. And I have to tell you, this is not a resort, but it is the best for the money. $355 a month. And that spot right there where we are, we could stay there year round. At least you could stay here from September all the way to April for $355 a month. Full hookups. Now you pay your own electricity, and if you have solar set up like I do, well, there you go, right? But it gets very, very hot in the summer, and so you'd be using a lot of electricity in the summer. But anyway, I hope you like these videos. Subscribe, stay with us, share the video, make comments. That's always good. If you'll give us constructive comments, I like that. And that's good for anybody to have constructive criticism. I don't mind that. You certainly are welcome to do that. I want you to. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified if we put up any more little videos. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you way down deep. I do. And I thank you. And you be happy and you take care. You take care now.